Sometimes your nose captures something it needs to get rid of right now.
Hey! Stop putting that pepper on your sandwich! You're going to make it!
We can take it! We're your family! What are you doing?
Well, I'm avoiding the blast.
What's he doing? Where's he going? He's... Litwack's gonna unplug the game. Go! Go! Run! Let's go!
A sneeze shoots unwanted particles out of your nose at up to 100 miles an hour.
Who are you calling an unwanted particle?
Oh, Gromit! Ugh. I think you better get the dustpan and brush.
Yeah, my bad. Looks like you weren't allergic to stupidity. Just feathers.
It must have got in there during the pillow fight.
Everything is okay then.